Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast. I'm John, your host, and today I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, more clearly, and more confidently. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. I'll be speaking slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. And you can even repeat after me to practice. Today's topic is how to speak English fluently step by step. Many learners think that speaking English fluently means speaking fast, but that's not true. Fluency means being comfortable, natural, and confident, even when you make small mistakes. It's about flow, not perfection. Now, maybe you ask, John, how can I become fluent if I don't live in America or the UK? Good question. You don't need to move to another country. You don't need to spend hours studying grammar. You just need the right habits. Small daily actions that help your English grow stronger every single day. Let's talk about 5 simple steps you can start using right now. Step 1, listen every day. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Fluency begins with your ears. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, short stories, or music every single day. You don't need to understand everything, just let the sounds enter your ears. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Make English your background music while you cook, walk, or clean. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Step 2, shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, it's time to speak along. Shadowing means repeating what you hear like an echo. Don't stop, don't translate, just copy the rhythm and tone. Let's try it. I want to speak English fluently. I'm improving little by little. Shadowing helps your brain and mouth move together in English. Just 5 minutes a day can make your pronunciation sound more natural. Step 3, think in English. If you always translate, you'll always feel slow. Start thinking in English one thought at a time. When you wake up, say in your mind, "It's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee." When you walk outside, "The sun is bright. The air feels nice." These small sentences help your brain connect directly to English. No translation, no delay. Step 4, read aloud. Reading aloud trains your speaking muscles. Choose something simple, a short story or a podcast transcript. Read slowly, then again a little faster, then with expression, like you're acting. This builds fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. Repeat after me. Reading aloud helps me speak better. Step 5, live with English. Fluency happens when English becomes part of your life. Change your phone to English. Write a short diary at night, just 3 sentences about your day. Record a 1-minute voice note talking about what happened today. Don't worry about mistakes, focus on practice. When you see, hear, and use English in your real life, it stops feeling like homework. it becomes natural. So remember, small steps every day. Listen more, speak more, think more, and live with English one day at a time. Because when English becomes part of your daily life, fluency will follow naturally. Thanks for listening to English Flow Podcast. I'm John, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep your English flowing.